lose weight faster if I add lemon or ginger to green tea? Green Tea Quiz. Provided to you by Japanese Green Tea Company. When it comes to weight loss, nothing beats the natural way of losing and shredding those pounds. A good combination is the vitamin C produced in lemon and the catechins found in green tea to help shed some weight. Lemon in your cup of green tea also helps in increasing energy levels. That would help you to be more active in sweat and exercise. Lemon is also known as an anti-inflammatory and would help to reduce muscle pains in a short span of time, leading you to another set of heavy workouts right away. Ginger is known to fight body fat and obesity, for it contains an active phenolic compound, gingerol, that reduces your body's lipid profile by increasing novoprene-induced lipolysis. Ginger can help your metabolism and digestion by stimulating the pancreatic digestive activity, reducing your body weight and balancing the blood glucose level in your body, which prevents diabetes. Same with lemon, ginger also powers you up more and gives you more energy to do more physical activities and exercise. Thanks for watching. Japanese Green Tea Company. Harvested with love in Japan.